It was early morning around 7 a.m. I was at a dusty construction site, standing by stacks on paint cans I had worked so hard to produce. I had just delivered a fresh batch of paint to a contractor. I should have felt proud, but instead, doubt was creeping in. What if this badge doesn't sell? What if this contractor never calls back? What if I am left with cans of unsold paint gathering dust? I felt nervous, like I was on the edge of a cliff without a parachute. All that effort might be for nothing if I couldn't figure out how to sell consistently. I could hear construction workers talking in the background, drills buzzing and trucks movement and all of that. I made a decision I was going to crack the code to selling paint and never feel this uncertain again. Are you worried about finding customers even after learning how to produce high quality paint? Don't stress, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to brand your product, find target customers, and sell more paint even when the market is slow. Stick around because I'll be sharing sales strategy most paint professionals use in selling their paint. Hi, welcome back. I'm Glenna, founder of Glenna Artistics. I help aspiring and current paint manufacturers not only learn how to produce paint, but also master the business side of it. Many of my students have transformed from today their
I'm going to
usual
share
hobbies
some of these
to successful
secrets
business
with you.
owners. Let's
by
dive.
applying
Number
most of
one,
the strategies
branding. I
your
teach
paint
them
product.
on
Yes,
paint
a lot of
sales. Paint manufacturers or those that are already producing paint tended to skip this useful process whereby they think branding is all about packaging and they don't need to brand their product except they're going out into the market. Branding goes beyond just a logo. It is about the message your product sends to customers. Where your paint brand stands for quality and trust, sales will flow to you. So now, on the branding, there are some key aspects I want you to have in your mind and also practice it. Number one, you need to use premium packaging that reflects professionalism. Yes, you see, branding is not all about merging or stickers. Most paint manufacturers, they know that, they know what it means by merging, they know what it means by stickers. That is what you print on your bucket. Branding is not all about that. You can see a lot of paint displayed on the paint shelves or displayed on the roadside, and you'll be drawn just to one particular paint. I've gotten thousands of students drawn to me just because of branding. Yes, branding is very, very useful. Like I said, you need to use premium packaging. Premium packaging simply means you need to understand the color effect and the necessary color combination you need to apply in your design. So you'll be able to send a message across to your customers. I've seen a lot of not I've seen, I know most of you've seen a lot of packaging design of paint that the colors are jamming. You can't really you can't be drawn to those kind of packaging. You understand? So you have to be simple and creative. Two, create a catchy and professional brand name. Oh my God, my students, they all have an idea what I mean by this. See, when you are creating a name for your product, it is best for it to be short and simple. Let it be something that can be easily pronounced and memorable. Now, number three, develop an eye-catching logo. A lot of paint manufacturers don't even have a logo. They don't know that logo. You're supposed to have a logo that reflect on the message you're also carrying out to your customers. See, um, a bucket design is simply different from a logo. When you see a professional image of a bucket, you could see the logo at the top side. Logo could be your name. Logo could be um, a graphic image close to your name. You understand? So you need to get a logo that stands for what your product or simply what you're delivering. So when someone sees this logo, they know what you stand for. And of course, create a constant brand um, image, you understand, across your social media platform. That's constantly build trust. You understand? And the second is finding your target customers. Yes, not everyone needs your paint. Please take note so you don't get frustrated. Yes, not everyone needs your paint, but builders, interior decorators, and home owners, they do need your paint. So you need to focus your energy on these groups. You understand? By one, join home improvement groups. You can see them on social media. You can see them on your street. You understand? You need to join them. Number two, partners with contractors. There are contractors everywhere. Don't neglect them. Don't feel that you don't need them. You understand? Because you're supplying your paint into the market. No, you need them more. Three, attend local events. You understand? You need to network people. Yes, you need to network with people because I'm not saying network with everybody. You need to know the events you need to go, painting, seminars, interior design. You understand, real estate, event. You need to network with the right people. And also, you can run targeted ads on social media platform. Yes, a lot of people don't know what ads means. Ads simply means when you open your phone or your laptop, what you see there, a picture or a video displaying sponsor ad, that business, that brand run that ad so you'll be able to get to see what they are doing and then you click on it and make your purchase. You can as well do that. There's a basic cost for it, you understand? And also it's going to bring your customers to you. So now, three, leveraging social media to boost sales. This is very, very important. Over the past years, I've taught my students how to leverage social media to boost sales. Most of them took advantage of it and they still stick to it right now. Why most of them, they tend not to take the advantage of it and they still complain about poor sales. And when they reach out to me, I still refer them back to what they've learned 6, 7, 8, 9 years ago. You understand? So your phone is your biggest sales tools right now. Yes. If you don't have a laptop, your phone can make sales for you. You understand? You understand? So you can showcase your product. Yes, share customers testimonies. Very important. I've told my students, you understand that when you supply your paint to your customers, even if you're not there, you can ask them to send you a before after picture. You understand? Or you can ask them, how is the product? Don't be shy. You need to ask, you understand, and then you now create a painting videos to attract attention. You use those clip that you've gotten from your customers. If it's possible, you can be there present while they do the painting. You understand? It's very, very important. And there are few keys I'm going to list for you. Number one, regular you need to be posting regular on Instagram or TikTok and Facebook. Don't just go watch people's pictures. You understand? Or comment on people's pictures and videos. You also need to engage your business as well. Post regularly. You understand? And number two, you run a giveaway campaign. You understand? People like gifts. Yes, people like free offer. You understand? You need to show, like I said, you need to show before and after transformation of your paint project. You understand? Use your paint, you understand, to get massive engagement that is going to lead to sales. A lot of big brands do this a lot. They show you before and after picture where the paint has been applied, and also they show you the content of their paint. You can feel the texture, you can see the brush going in and going out. You understand? So number four is selling even when demand is low. Yes. So here is the thing. Sales will always have ups and down. Yes, but that doesn't mean you stop showing up. Stop showing up simply means that you don't like you stop posting, you stop letting people see what your paint brand stands for. No, you need to keep up to date. You understand? So here are some advanced sales strategy you can apply. One, offer discount or bundle deals. Yes, like if you want your customer, you understand, to buy more, you have to reduce the price, or you give them, for instance, if they want to buy like a drum which is 20 liters, if they're buying one or two, you can give them 4 liters. You can ask them how many drums, how many buckets, how many gallons do you want to buy? And they tell you, I'm going to buy two. I just need two. And you tell them, okay, I'll give you 4 liters. They were like, wow, thank you. Or they say, oh, I don't need 4 liters. You say, okay, I'll slash the money off your purchase. You understand? It's fantastic when you do that. For your customers. You see, life is not all about you collect. Life is all about you give and take. It's good to be human. I used to tell my students, it's good to be human as well. So number two is produce no, let's just use the word provide value. Yes, you have to provide value. That's added services. I know a lot of people might not want to do this, you understand, but it is important. You see, one of the secret that big brand are still in the painting business today, and they're actually taking practically all the customers, is that, for instance, you see them tell you, they give you free consultation fee, like what color to use, where to apply this color. If you're buying from us, we're going to paint your building for free. And then you wonder, how come do they do that? It is simple. If you've watched a video about costing, you should be able to know that if you want to start giving or you want to provide value for your customers, you should be able to know how to add your free offers into your product. It's as simple as that, to avoid unnecessary extra charges and to let them not buy your product. You understand? Because there are other paints out there. You understand? But when you give them a value and your price is affordable and your product is unique, they will buy from you and they will keep buying from you. You understand? So you should look for a way of how to give free services. You understand? I know it's not easy at times, but there's a way you can offer them free service. You understand? So number three is build referral program. Yes, don't be selfish all the time. You understand? Once someone refer people to buy your product, they should be able to have a percentage. You understand? Be it a painter, be it even a contractor that wants to buy from you. After you've sealed the deal, you go back and say, thank you, I appreciate, this is for you, sir or ma. You understand? It creates trust, it creates long time business partnership. You understand? So there's this my student. Let me just tell you a little brief about this. My student, she doubled her sales during rainy season. Yes, she came to meet me and asked me that she has low sales, and now this is the rainy season, and you know, a lot of paint manufacturers, not even paint manufacturers, because paint manufacturers, you produce the paint and then you supply to um the shops that are going to sell for you. So either the painters, you understand, or the owners of the house. So during this rainy season, there's usually slow sales, not even just for paint manufacturers or paint producers, you understand, or paint producers might have as well produced the paint before rainy season and supply it to the paint sellers. So it's usually the paint sellers, the ones that are selling the paint for the manufacturers, you understand. So during the rainy season, there's usually poor sales, like I said, for most businesses, you understand. So I taught her this strategy, and then when she was able to sell, yes, simply by offering buy two get one free promotion, you understand? And she sold during the rainy season because buy two, get one free. Buy, you understand? So the painters were even coming. The painters were buying from her. They will buy the two, they get the one free. Most of them will go and resell it. You understand? Most of the owners of the buildings, if they are opportune to get to buy from this my student, they're able to get the offer as well. You understand? So never stop marketing just because sales are slow. Keep showing up. You understand? Like I said, you need to keep showing up. You understand? So let me just drop these bonus tips for you. You understand? Always collect customers' feedback. My students, they know I used to tell them, and then use it to improve. You understand? Because happy customers are your best marketers. Yes, because someone can just walk into their friends or their family members' living room and or their rooms or their apartment, and they see a paint, and the next thing they ask them, where do you buy this paint from? Or someone might just be passing a building and be like, wow, this is lovely. And someone like, I know where they sell the paint. You understand? So your happy customers are your best marketers. So always collect your customers' feedback, please, no matter what. It's very, very important. If you want to learn more powerful strategy, you can check out my full paint manufacturing and marketing course, where we dive deep into branding, customers acquisitions, and advanced sales techniques. You can click the link below to join and start building your successful paint business today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. And thank you also for watching. Bye for now.